The Nile is the most important river. It is the longest river in the world. Which is the longest river in the world? Yes, Nile River. It originates in the rainy equatorial region and flows northward through the Sahara Desert into the Mediterranean Sea. Can you see this map? Yes, immediately you have to locate the Nile River in the map. It's originates in the northern, Ethiopian highland and goes to the Sahara Desert and flows into the Mediterranean Sea. This is the Nile River, and it never dries because 2-3 rivers are joining the same river, White Nile and Blue Nile. So it goes inside the desert also, but it never dries because that much is flows. Okay, that next, the Congo River is the second largest river in Africa. It flows through the west central part of Africa. It is called the highway of the Central Africa. It carries the largest volume of water as its basin is rainy equatorial region. See this, this is the Congo River basin. Okay, the full of fertile place, Congo River basin. Then we have many falls here. Okay, yes, forests are there, and some of the falls name Livingstone Falls and Inga Falls and Boyama Falls we can see. And next river is river Niger. Okay, the third longest river in Africa. It flows through the 4 West African countries: Guyana, Mali, Niger and Nigeria. These are the countries we can see. Yes, Mali, Niger, Nigeria. It goes here only. See this. This is the political map I am showing you, and this is the physical map. In this only, this Niger river flows. Okay, next we see Zambezi is the 4th largest river in Africa. It drains a large part of the southern Africa and flows into the Indian Ocean. The famous Victoria Falls is on this river. Okay, this is the Zambezi river. Yes, Victoria Falls. Can you see? This is Victoria Falls. This is Lake Victoria. This is Lake Victoria. This is Victoria Falls. Okay, this is about the physical features of Africa. Now you learned the physical features: Mount Atlas Mountain and Drakensberg Mountain, Ethiopian Highlands, Kilimanjaro. These 4 are we call mountain ranges or mountains. Okay, then desert, Sahara Desert and Namib Desert, Kalahari Desert. Okay, and even you see the Libyan Desert, and we see the plateau, Debesti Plateau, Bio Plateau. Okay, and some of the rivers we saw: Nile River, Blue Nile, White Nile, and Niger, Congo, and the other river Zambezi River. Yes, here. Yes, these are the 4 main rivers in Africa. Okay, yes, some of the lakes are Lake Victoria, Lake Malawi, Tanzania. And important thing you learnt in one thing is that is from Malawi to till the canal, Red Sea, we see the Rift Valley. Okay, in this many of the freshwater lakes are there. Okay, these are the about the physical features of Africa. And the political, there are 55 countries in the political countries in the Africa. This is the list of the 55 country. Okay, starting from Algeria to Zimbabwe. Okay, I'll give one photocopy of this and this, and this also you can blow it and make a map. Thank you, children, and I'll give you your new words and question answers.